Ordering online was a breeze, and when I had questions, the wedding team was there to help. The flowers arrived packed securely in a few separate boxes, with clear instructions on how to care for them until my wedding day. I learned I needed to keep the flowers out of direct sunlight and in a room that's about 60 to 75 degrees. After finding my guest room a bit too sunny, I found the living room was perfect once the shades were closed. At the suggestion of the instructions, I filled large buckets with water and added the provided flower food. I then unpacked each piece of the floral package. I carefully pulled off the sponge covers, looked for and removed damaged petals, trimmed about an inch off the stems at an angle, and placed them into the buckets. I woke up to find the flowers blooming beautifully. All they needed was extra water. Enjoy Flowers suggested plastic crates for transporting the flowers to the venue. It worked like a charm. Setup at the venue was as simple as adding water to the vases. The most rewarding part was seeing how beautiful they looked on our tables. My experience with Enjoy Flowers was incredible. From the simplicity of ordering, delivery, and instructions, to the beauty and freshness of their centerpieces, bouquets, and boutonnieres. I was impressed, and so were my guests.